So for today guys, we are going to review this product. They are artificial nails called Empress from a company called Kiss. So actually guys, I have been using this product for a while now and I loved it. So I just want to show you how I apply them and then how easy it is to put on. So what makes this product unique from other artificial nails is that there is no glue needed, so you don't actually use a glue. So they just have like adhesive pad just under the nails there, and then you just remove the covering and apply it directly on your cleaned nails. So it's very easy guys, and I will show you how to apply it later. So these are the things that I prepare guys when I'm doing my nails. So first one is a nipper. So this is not compulsory, but if you have one, that will be very handy. And then a nail cutter, of course, to cut our nails. And then cuticle pusher. Now if you don't have a cuticle pusher, sometimes I use a knife, as long as you can use it safely or something safe. You know, we don't want any accidents. And then of course our press on nails. So first step guys is to make sure that our fingernails are short. So this is to make sure that they don't interfere with our artificial nails. So we'll cut them near to the fingertips. Now that our nails are short, we will now push the cuticles. Please don't mind my male looking hands. These are hard-working hands, that's why they are like this. So let's push the cuticles. So after washing and drying our hands, we will now start applying the artificial nails. So first, let's check what's inside the box. So it got the nails, and then this is the instruction manual, and it got the prep pad. So this is like an alcohol swab that we use to prepare our nails, and then this is the artificial nail remover. So we use that one to take off the nails afterwards if you want to take it off in a few days. So you can use that one. And then the buffer. So we use that one to shape and smoothen our nails after application. Next one, we will now use our prep pad to prepare our nails. So this is a very important step because this will make sure that the nails adhere or stick on properly. So this will take off any excess dirt that wasn't taken out when we wash our hands. So we'll just, wipe our nails. So now guys, we will be trying the artificial nails. So we will be fitting them into our nails. So we will try which one fits and then we will set them aside. So it says on the instructions that if you are caught in between two sizes, you choose the smaller one. So we will try them on. So the nails got like a clear tab inside. So this is the stick on, that one there, and then I don't know if you can see it, and then it got a clear tab here. So when we are trying, it should be facing downwards like that. So it should be like this. So it says here in the instructions anyway, so it should be facing downwards, not upwards. So we will try them on. So this is a bit big for my little finger, and then that one. So yeah, that's the perfect size for my ring finger. So that one, so we'll set that aside there. That's still a bit big. still a bit big. I think this should be perfect. So that one will fit in my little finger, so I'll put them aside. So I'll just arrange them like this, so that I won't be confused when I'm putting it on. So we are done sorting out which ones fit into our fingernails. So I have set them aside here on top, so it won't confuse me when I am applying them one by one. So we will now apply it. So now guys, we will be taking off the covering of the glue tab. So we will just take off the, this transparent thing off. And then we will apply it on our nails. So like this one. So we will apply it from the bottom of the, like in the cuticle, and then up. So we have to make sure that, it sits on properly, and then press it like as hard as you can, as long as it doesn't hurt you. So you just press it like that. There. So make sure that you press it on properly, because that will determine how long it will last. There. And then we'll move on to the next. So again, we will take off the transparent thing off. We are done guys, and this is the result. There you go. So as you have seen, it's very easy to apply. It doesn't even take 5 minutes on the application itself. But of course, if it's your first time, it may not be that easy. The more you do it, the more it will get easier. As they say, practice makes perfect. Hi guys, today is day 2 and our nails are still intact. So our nails, you say hello Dean, our nails are still intact. So none of the nails has come off yet, so we will check again tomorrow. So yes, they are still very intact, so that's good. So guys, today is day 4 and this is how they are. So they are still very intact, so I just want to show you there. So guys, today is day 5 and our nails are still very intact. So I just want to show you guys how well they sticked on. Like none of them have loosened up or fallen off. So it's amazing because, as I've mentioned, it's not my first time to use this product. I was expecting day 3 onwards, some might fall off or some might loosen up, but it's not a problem because we can just replace it with the spare nails that it comes with, because all in all we've got 30 nails, but we didn't have to because it lasted this long. So I guess it falls on, the preparatory stage, on how well we cleaned our nails with the prep pad and before sticking our artificial nails. So that's one thing. And another thing probably is that, how gentle we are with our nails. So for example, like this time, I didn't use my nails to open things up like this one. I just used my thumb, because if we are putting pressure with the nails, of course, it will loosen up. It may loosen up the adhesive. So I didn't do that. I didn't open a can of Coke with my nails. So probably that also helped. And then also, with our activities of daily living. So before, when I'm washing, hand washing clothes, I don't wear gloves with my nails on. So of course, soap and water, when your hands are soaked in, then of course it will loosen the adhesive. But this time I used gloves. So that's I think that's a tip. If you want your nails to last longer, use the gloves when you are hand washing clothes, so that your nails and your hands won't be soaked in water for that long. Yes, so would I recommend this product and would I use this again? Of course, I will use it again and again. So I would recommend this for girls who only want to use it for a short time. Like, you know, if you're going for a holiday or a party and you just want to have fabulous nails, then this is definitely the product for you, because you don't have to go to the salon. Because if you're going for the acrylic, of course, you know, you have to go to the salon to remove it, and then it will also damage your nails. So I have done acrylic and SNS, and I did it only once because it really thinned my nails and I didn't want to do it again. So, you know, this is one thing that you can try on. And also for healthcare workers or workers who are not allowed to have nail polish or artificial nails at work. So, you know, just have it for a day if you want, and then take it off before going to work. Yeah, so I will show you now how to take them off. So I will take them off because I have to go to my other work and they don't allow artificial nails, so I have to take them off. So I'll just show you how. So you just, like, you know, this sharp thing, you just put it inside in between your nails and the artificial nails, and then you just, you know, push it, like firm but gently. See, the glue, the adhesive is really strong, because, you know, I have to put effort to take the nails off. So I will just move it. Yes, there we go. Almost there. That's the adhesive, and then I'll just take it off. So my nails are the same, like it didn't affect the condition of my nails. So it's still very healthy as per before I applied the nails. So it's still the same, so it didn't affect it. So that's the good thing about it. See, so that's my nails. Yeah, so I'll just take them all off. So girls, you should give this one a try if it's something that you're interested in. Yeah, and come back and let me know how you went with it.